As Ciena prepares to release its Q3 earnings, expectations are running high across the industry. The company has been in the spotlight, with both investors and analysts closely watching its performance as a bellwether for the broader tech sector. Analysts are forecasting revenue near $1.15 billion, a notable jump from last year's numbers. This anticipated growth reflects not only Ciena's expanding customer base, but also the increasing demand for advanced networking solutions worldwide. This signals accelerating momentum, driven by surging demand for high-speed data and robust network infrastructure. As more businesses and consumers rely on digital connectivity, Ciena's role becomes even more crucial. Investors are eager to see if Ciena can beat these ambitious targets, which would further validate the company's growth strategy and market leadership. Wall Street is also expecting a strong adjusted EPS of about 65 cents, highlighting improved profitability and operational discipline. This would mark a significant improvement over previous quarters. This isn't just about sales, it's about operational efficiency, cost management, and the ability to execute on strategic initiatives in a competitive landscape. The real story, however, is how Ciena is capitalizing on transformative trends like artificial intelligence and cloud computing, both of which require massive, high-speed networks to function effectively. Ciena's technology is at the heart of this digital revolution. Ciena's results will offer a valuable snapshot of digital infrastructure, health and spending patterns among the world's leading tech giants, as well as emerging players. A strong report will reinforce the narrative that network investment remains a top priority for companies navigating digital transformation and future-proofing their operations. On the other hand, any signs of weakness could raise questions about the pace of digital transformation and the resilience of tech spending in a changing economic environment. Ultimately, this earnings report is more than just a financial checkup. It's a barometer for the entire networking and digital infrastructure sector, setting the tone for quarters to come. Ciena sits at a critical intersection, connecting data centers, service providers, and enterprises, and enabling the flow of information that powers the modern economy. For investors, analysts, and industry watchers alike, Ciena's Q3 earnings are a key event to watch, one that could shape expectations for the entire tech landscape in the months ahead. Ciena's growth is powered by the AI boom, which has been transforming industries across the globe, and the relentless expansion of cloud computing, which has become the backbone of modern digital infrastructure. AI models demand vast amounts of data, moving rapidly between global data centers, Ciena's specialty. Their technology ensures seamless and efficient data transfer. Cloud giants like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud rely on Ciena's optical networking to connect their infrastructure, ensuring high performance and reliability. About a quarter of Ciena's revenue comes from these cloud titans, fueling its order book and driving consistent growth. At the heart of this is WaveLogic, Ciena's flagship technology, now in its 6th generation, which continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in optical networking. WaveLogic 6 can transmit 1.6 terabits per second on a single wavelength, enabling cloud providers to handle explosive data growth and meet the demands of the future. This performance is essential for moving massive AI datasets and supporting millions of users, ensuring that services remain fast and reliable. The synergy between AI, cloud, and Ciena's tech creates a powerful cycle of growth, where each element enhances the other. As AI gets more sophisticated, cloud providers must upgrade networks, driving more demand for Ciena's cutting-edge solutions. This is a fundamental shift, not a short-term trend. The digital transformation is here to stay, and Ciena is at the forefront. Ciena is more than a supplier. It's a foundational partner in the digital era, helping to build the infrastructure of tomorrow. Its fortunes are tied to the biggest trends in technology, making it a key player in the industry's future. That's why Ciena's performance is so closely watched by analysts and investors alike, as it continues to shape the future of digital connectivity. Ciena's remarkable success is built on two foundational pillars: cutting-edge optical networking and advanced software automation. These two elements work hand in hand to create a seamless, high-performance network experience for customers around the world. Its state-of-the-art optical gear forms the backbone of the global internet, enabling faster, more efficient data travel across continents and oceans. Ciena's technology ensures that information can move at lightning speed, supporting everything from streaming video to mission-critical business applications. At the same time, Ciena's Blue Planet software automates and orchestrates complex networks, giving operators real-time control, visibility, and efficiency. This software is designed to simplify the management of even the most intricate network environments. Instead of relying on time-consuming manual configuration, Blue Planet empowers operators to deploy new services and optimize traffic flows with just a few clicks, dramatically reducing operational complexity and human error. This level of automation is crucial for scaling networks in the AI era, where demands on bandwidth and reliability are higher than ever before. The combination of advanced hardware like WaveLogic and intelligent adaptive software truly sets Ciena apart from its competitors, enabling networks to be both robust and flexible. Customers benefit from networks that are not only powerful but also agile and adaptive, able to allocate bandwidth dynamically, predict failures before they happen, and respond instantly to changing needs. This integrated approach, blending hardware and software innovation, is a major competitive advantage for Ciena in a rapidly evolving industry. As global data creation explodes, the need for both cutting-edge optics and smart automation will only continue to grow, driving demand for Ciena's solutions. Ciena's relentless R&D efforts push the limits of fiber optics, while also making networks easier to manage, more reliable, and more secure for everyone. In today's digital world, intelligent automation is quickly becoming a necessity, not just a luxury, for organizations that want to stay ahead. Ciena's leadership in both optical innovation and software automation positions it for long-term growth and continued industry leadership. That's why Ciena's technology is truly in the spotlight, shaping the future of global connectivity. Despite strong demand, Ciena faces margin pressures. Product mix can squeeze margins, especially when large deals involve lower margin products. Balancing growth and profitability is a constant challenge. Rising operational costs, supply chain components, and talent add to the pressure. Investing in next-gen tech like WaveLogic 6 requires significant upfront spending. External factors like tariffs and trade restrictions can disrupt costs and supply chains. Management's ability to navigate these challenges is under scrutiny. Analysts will watch for any margin surprises and seek clarity on the root causes. Understanding whether pressures are temporary or persistent is key for investors. Ciena's market position is reinforced by a steady stream of major wins and partnerships. Recent deals with top telecom and cloud providers showcase its technology leadership. A major European carrier chose Ciena to upgrade its network, deploying WaveLogic for higher capacity and efficiency. These wins deepen customer relationships and signal market share gains. Ciena's partnerships with hyperscale cloud providers are collaborative, shaping solutions for massive data centers. Recent deployments for AI-focused data centers highlight this synergy. Record-breaking field trials of WaveLogic 6 prove Ciena's tech delivers on its promises. These milestones build customer confidence and serve as powerful marketing tools. Each win creates momentum, attracting more customers and reinforcing Ciena's leadership. This flywheel effect is key to maintaining its edge in a competitive market. Wall Street's sentiment on Ciena is largely positive. Most analysts rate the stock a buy or outperform, citing its leadership in AI and cloud infrastructure. Price targets average around $60, with some as high as $70, reflecting expectations for continued growth. Analysts see Ciena as a prime beneficiary of the global network investment cycle. The whisper number for earnings is often higher than official estimates, thanks to Ciena's history of conservative guidance and consistent beats. A significant beat and raised guidance could spark a strong stock move. Not all analysts are bullish. Some cite risks like competition, customer spending slowdowns, or margin pressures. These differing views remind investors to weigh both the opportunities and risks. The consensus, however, is that Ciena is well positioned for the future. Analyst opinions help frame expectations ahead of the earnings report. Ciena's growth story comes with risks. Customer concentration is a major one. A few large clients drive much of its revenue. A delay or cutback from a key customer could impact results. There's also debate about how quickly networks can be upgraded to support AI, potentially causing order lags. Insider selling, mostly from prearranged plans, is worth monitoring for any sudden changes. The competitive landscape is fierce, with rivals like Nokia, Cisco, and Huawei vying for the same contracts. Ciena must keep innovating to stay ahead. Any aggressive moves by competitors or shifts in customer spending could affect growth. Investors should watch for changes in guidance and customer trends. Staying alert to these risks is crucial. Ciena's future depends on navigating them successfully. Beyond the headline numbers, investors will focus on Ciena's guidance for Q4 and the next fiscal year. Upward revisions would signal continued strength and a healthy order pipeline. The order backlog and book-to-bill ratio will be key indicators of future demand. A ratio above 1 means more orders than billings. Always a good sign. Commentary on cloud and telecom customer trends will provide crucial context. Management's insights on supply chain and inventory levels will also be closely watched. Investors want to see lean inventory and efficient operations. These details will shape the market's reaction to the results. Ciena isn't just selling networking gear, it's building the backbone of our digital society. Every time you stream, video chat, or use the cloud, Ciena's tech is likely at work behind the scenes. The demand for high-speed connectivity is permanent and growing. Trends like 5G, IoT, and the metaverse will only increase data needs. Ciena's innovation ensures the internet can scale to meet future demands. Its technology is a key enabler of economic growth and global communication. As data needs soar, Ciena's role becomes even more vital. The company is helping build the infrastructure for tomorrow's digital world. Its success is a bet on our enduring need to connect and innovate. That's why Ciena's position matters, not just for investors, but for everyone who relies on a seamless digital experience.